Scoots openings where Scoots haven't been invented yet, but they will be. I actually saw this pack in Real Breaking Nate's video. He was looking for cards and saw a Batman pack. So I checked my Walmart today, and they had it on the shelf, so thought I might as well try it. See what it is. Made by Panini. Same as the Fortnite packs, which I like Fortnite, but I can never find it anymore. Deathstroke. I don't know how to tell if it's rare or not. Common. Intelligence. Mad Hatter. Infighting. Strength. Black Canary. Teamwork. Special. Mastermind. It's uncommon. Remember, swing hard in case you hit it.